Today, I want to have an heartfelt and open conversation with all the students writing your exams in May and September, guys. Yes, of course, we're going to talk about the 5 power weeks left and what we can do if we can still clear one group if I start now. But motivation aside for now, I want to talk to you about your thoughts. In the last 1 week, with many students I have interacted on message and calls, I can kind of see that many students are going through these emotions, if not all, but at least a few of these. Do you resonate with what I have mentioned here? Sir, I have fear of exams. That fear is leading to stress. And because of stress, I'm also getting anxiety. Anxiety is just blacking out or having panic attacks. And also, sir, in the past, after results, I had the motivation, sir, but I am not very consistent. One day I am studying, one day I am not studying. And some of them are feeling like, I could have done a better job, but I know I could have done a better job. I am more capable than this, but I have not done this. I empathize with all your thoughts, guys. I am not here to give you a solution, but of course, we'll get to that in some time. I want all students, if you're going through some challenges like this, nobody talks about this, right? So put it in the comments as to what you're going through. Me or someone else will help you out on the comments of this video itself. I only want to prove to you guys that whatever you're going through is something not you are going through alone, but many students writing this exam are going through. Sir, okay, sir, what can we do about it, sir? And that is where this video is going to help you. The power of 5 weeks. We have 5 power weeks left. I want to start off this video now with one quote to tell you it's not about motivation, guys. Look at this. What I've written here, genius or being genius is only 1% inspiration. It's only 1% inspiration. Motivation is only 1%. The rest 99% is perspiration, guys. Sir, what is perspiration? I didn't make this quote. This was quoted by Thomas Edison, who invented the bulb. Okay, he was a very poor student in class, and teachers used to be like, Neela edukun theramata, you will not do anything in life. And he said, in life, if I can achieve something and invent the light bulb after repeated thousands of failures, for him it was not any luck or inspiration or motivation. It was only perspiration, meaning hard work. With the time he had, he put a lot of hard work. Sir, you may be wondering, with 5 weeks, what can I do? Today is Monday. You may be watching this on Monday or Tuesday. Effectively in March, we have 1 week left. And in April, we have 4 weeks left, guys. We have 5 weeks. But looking at all you guys thinking about your past, all your thoughts are reflecting about the past. In past, I didn't do well, sir. Past, I have stress. I could have done better. Because of this, my future is getting affected. I have lot of stress. Yes. But let me give you one little jovial example. No, let's take RCB and Virat Kohli. I'm a fan of Virat Kohli. Who wouldn't be, right? Okay. Now, RCB in the last 15 years of IPL, guys, 15, 16, whatever years of IPL, how many times they messed up? I mean, people make fun of it. Isale Cup Namde. And they keep saying that. This year, I think they are not telling that also. They don't want to jinx it. Let me also not say that. Now, do you think RCB will keep thinking about, Ayo, in the last 15 years, we lost in 2-3 finals, playoffs, every time we lose. Will that fear they will play this year? Or do you think the mindset of Virat Kohli is going to be, this year I am going to win the IPL? That is going to be his mindset, guys. Now, whether they win or not is secondary, guys. Whether they win or not is secondary. I will tell you, if RCB and Virat Kohli can win the IPL this year in the next 5 to 6 weeks, in the next 5 weeks, you can definitely pass the exams, guys. If RCB can have that mindset that they will win, you can also pass the exam. Now, I'm not here to make fun of RCB. Let me tell you guys, if RCB wins the IPL, whole of India will be happy. That's the truth. Every CSK fan, Mumbai fan, every cricket fan will be happy because, hey, they have been trying for 15 plus years. But they are trying with a positive mindset. That is why when they get to playoffs also, they will celebrate like as if they won the IPL. I mean, I admire that, guys. That is the kind of confidence and arrogance you need to have sometimes in life. That means in the next 5 weeks, 100 people will tell you, Ayo, if you start now, it's not possible. But the mindset you should have is, I can definitely get through in the next 5 weeks. Let me give you a simple computation. You have 5 weeks effectively. 60 hours per week if you study. You still have, come on man, 300 hours with you. Sir, what are you saying, sir? 6 days a week in the next 5 weeks. 6 days into 10 hours. In a week you study only 60 hours. Then 60 into 5 becomes 300 hours for you. All I'm trying to say is one thing, guys. I don't want to motivate you beyond this, guys, because I told you motivation is 1%. What will make magic in these 5 weeks is great things can happen when you stay committed in these next 5 weeks. Sir, in this next 5 weeks, can I still start and pass a group? Can I at least get 60 plus in one subject? I am sure nobody here is starting from scratch or zero to get to your exams. You are already somewhere here. You know concepts to an extent. So in this 300 hours that we have, look what I am giving all of you guys. You don't have much time to go see some fast track class, 250, 300 hours. Come on, you don't have the time. You need to revise. So I have come with a plan. Even if you start now or if you've already started, check this. Advanced accounting, if you can just give me, I want you to lend your time, 50 hours for advanced law, 50, DT 30, 150 hours for group 1, that's it. And similarly for group 2, I have put the duration, 150 hours for group 2, whichever group you are doing, guys. So look at this, can you give me now in the next 5 weeks, 150 hours of learning with me, guys, at any time that's possible for you, and 150 hours to revise at your end. Without revision, nobody can pass the exam. That's 300 hours of learning. Sir, in this 150 hours, in this 50 hours of each subject approximately, what is going to happen? We are only going to practice, guys. We are only going to practice a lot of questions where concepts will be quickly taught to you, and then we will practice all unique adjustments that is there, and it is still possible to see if you can get through the exams. By now you should have already known about the WOW subscription for the group, guys. Demo is available. I mean, who can complete 150 hours in one group in 150 hours? We can do it, guys. Go look at the lectures of advanced accounting. Go look at the lectures of law. Students are messaging me, sir, with just 50 hours, first time I'm learning, I can easily get 60 plus. I will prove it to you after results come that students who have taken this WOW subscription have cleared the exams. But all you have to do is whether you want to join this team in May exam and be part of results, or regret that later and see you realized it only in September or Jan, that this 150 hours is enough per group if you already have a reasonable idea of the subject. Sir, I don't want the full group, sir. I just want individual subjects. You can also take individual subjects with validity until your exams, guys. Everything is available on the website. All the materials also are freely available on the website. For example, if you take advanced accounting, we have given the adjustments over here, library of adjustments, everything will be there over here. All materials we always give it for free, guys. Now this class is extremely affordable, guys. The caclassroom.com, you can take it up. But all I'm telling you, guys, see, whether you take the class now or not is secondary. I'm telling you, if you are starting now, what you can do in 5 weeks, but I'm still telling you, even if you are on your own, even if you are watching any other class, doesn't matter. I'm going to give you all the support I can give you, but I just want to end by saying one thing. I'm not saying it simply, guys. That's the truth. And the truth is, in 5 weeks miracles can happen, and that miracle can happen, or great things can happen, when you stay committed, guys. And that's about it, guys. So take care of your thoughts and keep executing. I'm sure success will be yours. Always here for any support, guys. Keep going, and thank you so much.